Okay, so let's have this topic, addition and subtraction of polynomials. So we have this given. So first, we need to rewrite this given by omitting all the parentheses and align all like terms. So like terms are terms with the same variables and the same exponents. So for the first group, we have 7x squared, then minus 5x, then plus 4. Then for the second group, since this one is minus or negative, so we need to distribute this negative to every terms on the second group. So this positive 2x squared becomes negative 2x squared, then align to 7x squared. So we have negative 2x squared. Then distribute to this positive x, so this positive x becomes negative x, and align to this negative 5x. Then this negative to negative 2, so this negative 2 becomes positive 2, and align to this positive 4. Then simplify, so we have now 7 minus 2, so 7 minus 2, that's 5, and just bring down this x to the power 2. Then this negative 5 and negative x, so since negative x the same as negative 1x, so since the same negative, so just copy the sign, then add this 5 plus 1, that's 6, so we have now negative 6x. Then this positive 4 and positive 2, that's positive 6. So this is now the difference of these polynomials. Then for this given, so again, we need to omit all the parentheses and align all like terms. So for the first group, we have 5x to the power 3, then minus x squared, then plus 2x, then minus 7. Then for the second group, since this one is positive or plus, so nothing to change on the first group, you just bring down all the terms. So we have this 3x squared, so 3x squared aligned to negative x squared. So this one is positive 3x squared. Then this negative 4x, so we have negative 4x aligned to this positive 2x. And this positive 2, so we have positive 2 aligned to negative 7. Then simplify, so just bring down this 5x to the power 3. Then this negative 1x squared plus 3x squared, since 3 is greater than 1, so this one is positive. Then 3 minus 1, that's 2. Then bring down x squared. Then this positive 2 minus 4, since 4 is greater than 2, so this one is negative. And 4 minus 2, this one is 2, then bring down x. Then this negative 7 plus 2, since 7 is greater than 2, so this one is negative. 7 minus 2, this one is 5, so negative 5. So this is now the sum of these polynomials. Then for this given, so we need to rewrite this equation. So omit all the parentheses and align all like terms. So for the first group, we have this 6x to the power 3. Since there is no x to the power 2, so we just need to put a space. Then we have this negative 6x, then plus 9. Then for the second group, since this one is negative, so distribute to every terms on the second group. So this positive x to the power 3 becomes negative x to the power 3. Then this positive 3x squared becomes negative 3x squared. Then this positive 2x becomes negative 2x, and this negative 6 becomes positive 6. Then simplify. So 6x to the power 3 minus 1x to the power 3. So 6 minus 1, this one is 5. Then bring down x to the power 3. Then just bring down this negative 3, x squared. Then this negative 6 and negative 2. Since the same negative, so just copy the sign. Then add these numbers. So 6 plus 2. This one is 8. Then bring down x. Then this positive 9 and positive 6. This one is positive 15. So this is now the difference of these polynomials. Then for this given, so for the first group, we have 12x to the power 4, then minus 7x to the power 3. Since there is no x to the power 2, so we need to put a space. Then we have negative 6x, then plus 3. Since this one is positive, so just bring down all the terms on the second group. So for 3x to the power 4, align to 12x to the power 4. So this one is 3x to the power 4. Then this negative 5x squared. So this one is negative 5x squared. Then this positive x aligned to negative x. So plus x. Then this negative 9. So aligned to positive 3. Then simplify. So we have this positive 12 plus 3. This one is 15. Then bring down x to the power 4. Then just bring down this negative 7x to the power 3. So we have negative 7x to the power 3. And also just bring down this negative 5x to the power 2. Then negative 6 plus 1x. Since 6 is greater than 1, so therefore this one is negative. And 6 minus 1, that's 5, so 5x. Then for this positive 3 minus 9, so since 9 is greater than 3, so therefore this one is negative. And 9 minus 3, that's 6, so negative 6. So this is now the sum of these polynomials.